The area's finest new and used cars, brought to you by Arnie Bauer Buick GMC Cadillac in the Matteson Auto Mall and ArnieBauer.com.
Your dollar has more power at Arnie Bauer.
This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include an alarm system, keyless entry, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find adjustable lumbar seats, internet connectivity, heated steering wheel, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.